Why cooking at home is important? It may seem like it's not very easy to fit cooking into your already busy life. You may have children, work overtime, have planned activities throughout the week, or could be tired after a long day at work. But cooking at home is important for many good reasons. There are many reasons people should cook at home. Whether you're a student or someone with a busy work schedule, you should consider eating out less and making your own meals at home instead. Cooking at home allows you to decide what goes on your plate. You can focus on eating more vegetables, less salt and sugar, choosing the oil you use, and avoiding potentially dangerous chemical additives found in restaurants. There was also a correlation between cooking at home and diet choices. Those who were less likely to cook at home were more likely to consume fast food or frozen prepared foods, both high in preservatives and unhealthy ingredients. Because cooking at home allows one to control their ingredients and avoid higher levels of sugar, salt, and preservatives, those who cook at home generally have fewer chances of developing some of the adverse health effects of these ingredients. People who cook at home are much less likely to get diabetes, high blood pressure, hypertension, and even cancer. We have passionately wrote an ebook that will help you to cook like a chef.